Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essential prerequisites: an admin Windows sign-in, correct date/time, and a stable network. Once done, go straight to Settings, Apps and Features, and find Microsoft Store. This ensures permissions are correct. Now run WS Reset exe. This clears the store cache and can release queued installs. After WS Reset finishes, restart the store and try the download again. If that single reset doesn't clear the queue, you'll continue with account and service level fixes in the next step. You now tackle mid-level causes: account tokens, background services, and package registration. First, sign out of the Microsoft account and sign back in. If needed, add a local admin for troubleshooting to isolate account issues. Next, open services and restart background intelligent transfer service and Windows Update so downloads aren't blocked. Then, run PowerShell as admin and re-register the store with the Add Apps package command to repair corrupt package registry. You finish by removing remaining blockers and verifying system updates. First, install any pending Windows updates so store components are current. Then open the store library and cancel any stuck items, remove them, and reinstall. If the queue persists, run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter to auto-detect issues, and if necessary, create a fresh user profile to rule out corrupt user data. One key tip: when things go wrong, preserve app data, then fully remove and reinstall the app to ensure a clean state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.